Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying two things. Your Bandai Namco ID is active, and you are signed into the Google account you want to link. Once done, open the Bandai Namco site or app and go to Account Settings. This is where linking options live, so make sure cookies and pop-ups are allowed. You do this now to avoid interruptions during OAuth. Click the button labeled Link Google or Sign in with Google to initiate the authentication flow. You will see Google's sign-in dialog. Pick the exact account you intend to connect, because changing it later can create duplicate profiles. Once selected, carefully read the permission list. Bandai Namco typically requests basic profile and email access. Grant access to proceed, but deny anything unnecessary. If you use two-factor authentication, respond to the 2FA prompt now. This step confirms your identity. After consent, wait for the redirect. You should now confirm the connection in Account Settings. Look for Google Badge or linked account entry. Once visible, test it by signing out and using the Sign in with Google button to ensure seamless access. If the link fails, try clearing cache and cookies, or repeat the flow in an incognito window to avoid stale sessions. Also check Google account permissions to revoke and reauthorize Bandai Namco. Doing so often resolves token or consent mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.